Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
Did your parents choose your name?
Yes, my parents selected my name. When I was born, my parents wanted me to have a great name, at least to them. I have heard from my mother that my father brought a baby name book even before I was born. So the credit of my name solely goes to them.
You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.